Welcome back, Focus Learners. Have you ever felt like you're just pouring endless hours into your content, but the financial rewards they just aren't adding up? If that's you, you are absolutely going to find today's explainer fascinating. We are looking at the USA YouTube Blueprint. We're going to discover exactly how to maximize your RPM and find highly profitable automated niches just by targeting a US audience. Okay, let's dive into this.
Look, the financial contrast between different regions is honestly shocking. Let's put this into perspective. If you're running a channel in a Tier 2 market, say India, for instance, you might see an earning potential of around $60 to $80 for every 100,000 views. But if you shift that exact same target audience to a Tier 1 market like the USA, boom, those exact same 100,000 views can yield anywhere from $400 to $500. It is a staggering difference, and it completely changes the entire economics of being a creator.
And this brings us to a really crucial point. You're looking at a massive 5 to 6x revenue multiplier. What does this mean for you? It means you literally do not have to work 5 or 6 times harder. You're doing the exact same amount of work, right? The same planning, the same editing, the same uploading, but you're earning significantly more simply by shifting who you're actually talking to. It's the ultimate work smarter, not harder strategy. You're just placing your content right in front of the most profitable demographic.
So here's our roadmap for today. First, we'll cover the massive RPM gap. Second, the technical US channel setup. Third, beating algorithms with proxies. Fourth, automated long-form niches. And finally, highly viral shorts niches.
All right, part 1, the massive RPM gap, and why targeting the US market literally changes everything.
So to really get why this happens, we have to look at the underlying economics of the platform. The USA is classified as a Tier 1 country. In practical terms, that just means its citizens have remarkably high purchasing power. And because of that, advertisers are more than willing to pay some pretty significant premiums to get their products in front of American viewers. At the end of the day, advertiser spend is what dictates your earnings. Higher ad rates mean a much higher RPM, or revenue per mil, for you.
Let's move on to part 2, the technical US channel setup. This is your back-end blueprint for success.
Okay, so here are the exact chronological steps you need to follow right inside YouTube Studio. First up, start with a completely fresh Gmail ID. You want a clean slate for the algorithm. Second, set your country of residence to the United States. Now, what's really interesting about this slide is that this isn't some magic trick to force the algorithm. It's actually all about building trust. When a US viewer clicks on your About section and sees United States, they instantly trust the content more. Step 3 is your phone and face verification. And step 4, make absolutely sure your video and title language are set to English, specifically United States English.
Now let's address the elephant in the room and bust a massive myth right here. Verifying your phone number will not cause YouTube to block your US reach. There's this huge widespread fear out there that using a local, non-US phone number triggers some sort of geo-block. Guys, that's just simply false. The platform already knows your true location from your IP address anyway. This verification step is purely for security, and it unlocks awesome advanced features like custom thumbnails and longer uploads. Seriously, do not skip this out of fear.
Moving on to part 3, beating algorithms with proxies. Basically, how to research like a US creator. Now, you might be sitting there thinking, hey, I'll just flip on a VPN to see what's trending in America. Well, unfortunately, the platform is way too smart for that and catches standard VPNs incredibly quickly. What you actually need is a proxy. A proxy tool like GoLogin, which, is fundamentally a multi-accounting tool, effectively bypasses that standard VPN detection. By running a US proxy profile on GoLogin, you're tricking the platform into showing you the true unfiltered US trending feeds. You get to scroll through content exactly the same way an American audience does, which lets you study what actually captures their attention.
All right, part 4, automated long-form niches. These are your AI-powered channel blueprints. The first niche we're looking at is absolutely brilliant. It's the boring history niche. The target audience here is massive. It's Americans who have trouble sleeping. The format? Extremely long videos. We're talking an hour and a half or more, just filled with dry, monotonous historical facts. The viewers literally put these on, and as they slowly drift off to sleep, the video just keeps playing. This generates absolutely immense watch time for the creator. And the best part? The entire tech stack is AI automated. You generate the long script with ChatGPT, you create the visuals using Gemini, Grok, or Leonardo AI, and then you synthesize a super realistic, soothing voiceover using ElevenLabs. Once the workflow is set, it is almost entirely hands-off.
Another highly engaging strategy to check out is quiz channels.
These channels boast an incredibly high average view duration, mainly because of the format. So imagine a video titled, "Guess the YouTuber by emoji." You show a prompt, and a 10-second timer starts ticking down. That strict timer structure keeps viewers completely hooked and guessing throughout the entire video. For the workflow, you just use ChatGPT to instantly brainstorm 10 or 20 of these questions, use CapCut or ElevenLabs for the AI voiceover, and then plug all those assets straight into ready-made templates from places like Quiz Helper. Super simple. The third long-form blueprint is the 3D documentary. This is just a fantastic evergreen format. Now, I know what you're thinking. You probably think you need to be some sort of pro 3D animator to pull this off. You don't. You simply have ChatGPT write out your documentary script and then ask it to generate highly descriptive text prompts for 3D images based on each scene. You literally feed those prompts right back into ChatGPT to generate the 3D still images. Finally, you take those premium-looking stills and run them through Grok's image-to-video conversion. Just like that, you have a fully animated, high-quality documentary, and you didn't even need to know a single thing about complex 3D rendering software. It's wild.
Okay, finally, Part 5. Highly viral shorts niches and rapid growth strategies.
So there are two primary strategies to focus on in the shorts game. First up, commentary shorts. This involves taking those highly viral, oddly satisfying, or shocking videos from Chinese platforms, bringing them over, and adding a really compelling, native English voiceover just commenting on what's happening. American audiences absolutely eat this reaction-style content up. The second strategy is Troll Faces Shorts. This one capitalizes on universal internet meme culture. You know, think aura trends and those classic troll faces. Because the humor is so visual and culturally universal online, it easily transcends language barriers. That virtually guarantees you massive global and specifically US reach.
Well, we have covered a tremendous amount of ground today. You've seen the undeniable financial math behind that 5x to 6x RPM multiplier, the step-by-step backend setup, how to leverage proxies, and 5 highly automated profitable niches. So I have to leave you with this final provocative question. You have the entire blueprint right here. What is genuinely stopping you from launching your US-based channel today? It's time to stop watching other people succeed, grab these tools, and start building. Thanks so much for joining me on this explainer, and I'll catch you in the next one.